Hi everyone, this is Dollar. I received a lot of questions and comments about the BXpanded quick disconnect bucket attachment for the backhoe on my John Deere tractor. There were comments about it being slow, stubborn, getting stuck, it was too tight. So I wanted to show you how easy this thing is to get on and off. Now there's a little snug on the stock bucket. If you remember in my other video, I said I had to grind out a little bit of paint on the inside of the hole to get it to work properly. But overall, this thing is really nice. You release the safety, pull out the pin, the bucket stays on there even if you let go of it. So you just lift it up and off. Out of the way. Put the ripper blade or a different type of bucket on. Just hooks on and it just lays in place. Put the pin back in. Line the safety. And you're done. So put it back on. Like I said, the bucket's a little bit tighter. We just remove the safety. Pull the pin. It's really nice. It just sits here and swings until you're ready to remove it. Okay. Line the pinhole. And this one does take a little maneuvering to get into place. Line the safety. And you're done. It's that quick and that easy. I just take this out to the field with you, take both buckets or attachments. There's a trenching bucket, there's a little bit narrow, an 8-inch bucket. This is the 12-inch. All of them work with this. So hopefully that answers some of the questions I've received. And again, it's a little pricey, but it's a good investment. Definitely a time saver. If you have any questions, go ahead and post. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.